Oh man, this is hopeless. Come on. You got that?
Right there. Now, why couldn't someone look?
Dang it. Oh man, this is hopeless. Come on. Get over stuff.
Why couldn't somebody just invent a nice, organized freezer/tackle box that had nice fold-out compartments? They could easily organize and access all your frozen goods.
That's a good idea. Yeah.
You need any help?
Yeah, actually, can you grab that cheese in the bottom?
Okay. Any help? Any help?
You got it?
Yeah.
Oh, thanks, Aaron.
My help.
Okay, wait, we gotta do something. Oh man, this is hopeless. Alright. You okay there?
Yep, I got it.
What about the line? Oh man, this is hopeless. Come on.
Man, too bad somebody didn't invent a nice little organized freezer/tackle box that nicely organize and access all your frozen goods.
That's a good idea.
Oops.
Need some help?
Actually, yeah. Can you dive down there and get that cheese?
Sure.
Yeah. You got it yet?
Yeah.
Okay.
Man, I dropped it.
Oh man, this is hopeless. Come on.
I get it. Man, too bad somebody didn't organize.
Oh man, this is.
Again. Got another one.
Okay. Oh man, this is terrible.
This is horrible.
This is horrible. Oh man, this is hopeless.
You're right.
Why'd you start laughing? Come on. Oh man, this is hopeless. Come on.
Too bad somebody couldn't invent a a perfectly organized freezer slash tackle box with nice little fold out drawers so you can easily organize and access all your frozen goods.
That's a good idea.
Need some help?
Actually, we need help.
Get to bed.
Dang it. Dang it. Can't do it. No, we're not. He's crying.
She said go.
Okay. What are you doing? Oh man, this is hopeless.
Man, too bad somebody didn't invent a perfectly organized freezer slash tackle box. Nice little fold out drawers so you can easily organize and access all your frozen goods.
That's a good idea.
Need some help?
Actually, yeah. Could you dive down there and get that cheese for us?
Down.
You got it yet?
Yep.
Alright. Let's go back up to Mom now.
Wait, a little help?
Did you say anything?